Guys, 100x doesn't sound reachable, right? When people say to you, you can make 100 times your investment, you think, no way. I'm here to tell you that you can. And I'm going to show you how we find the 100x strategies. So let's get straight in after this disclaimer.
I'm not a financial advisor, this is for education purposes only.
Let me show you. So Binance Labs, now it's at labs.binance.com. I can tell you simply, this is our secret weapon that we're actually using actively to spot the next 100x opportunities in the bear market. Now, it's a really incredible program, all right? Their story identifies and invests and empowers viable blockchain entrepreneurs, startup and communities, providing finance to the industry projects that help grow the wider blockchain ecosystem. Now, the Labs is committed to supporting fast executing technical teams who positively impact the crypto space. 3+ years it's been around, 5+ year continents, 25+ countries, 200+ projects. Okay, that's incredible. This place, you need to do your own research, get involved here, and actually start having a look. Look at their portfolio. Incredible, guys. Their team is insane. Their docs, please go and do your own research on them. All right, Binance Labs is a very easy way to find that next strategy. Polygon I'm using as an example. We actually found Polygon on Binance Labs a long time ago. Now, people would have died. People would have done anything to pay at the time when it was under 1 cent to buy Polygon, which is Matic. Okay, now it's at 0.88. That's 100 times plus. Okay, so it does work. Yeah, Polygon right now, you can see, look at that. While crypto is dropping, Polygon is pumping. All right. It is an incredible coin, and we found that through our favorite Binance Labs. Another one that got a big investment through the Binance Labs program, all right, is Sandbox. Now, Sand, you could pick up very cheaply. And in 2020, Binance Labs actually invested into it. And look at the price. We're at 0.57, and this has gone down. The all-time high that we actually got to, so you could see here. And then in 2020, all right, Binance Labs got involved. Look at the pump that we've started to have at the end of 21. All right, it's incredible. So yeah, it did 100x, just like I'm saying. So when you're thinking about it, these 100x gains can happen. But again, it takes you back to Binance Labs. They are really incredible at finding these projects. Now, guys, it is imperative that you do your own research. No one on this channel wants you to get invested into a project with the hype and the belief that it's going to do well, and it doesn't do well. We want you to enjoy investing, and we also want you to make some money. All right, we want to make money too. So we promote the things that we're doing. Not only do we promote projects we think are going to do well, we promote how we find them, how we make them, who tells us about them, where you can research them. We tell you everything. We're not here to dangle a carrot. We're here to show you how to do it. Okay, so if you like this channel, please hit the like button. If you love it, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.